So nav, there we go. You've got memory, route, map, nav info. So these correspond to these buttons here. That's map there. You've got destination. So now if I click destination, and then we just wind up with this control onto town and zip, click on there. It's the I prefer this method of entry. That's so we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. Then we have to go down to the 09 here, change to numbers 5, PR54. That's us there. Select destination on map. We can put a street in. So street, we want Chorley Road. The sat-nav system's a bit dated, but it's not like you're going to be using it a lot. So it's defaulted to Chorley Road there. Door, house number, select destination on the end entry. Well, as long as we can get close enough. And then, there you go. Add stopover, start route guidance. Click start route guidance.
Your route is being calculated.